Can bacteria slow climate change down? The scientific community has been investigating for some decades and many important discoveries have already been made. How can microscopic living beings influence the entire planet, and how can microorganisms be employed in the future? Ciao, sono Nicola Benini. Everything started with bacteria 3.5 billion years ago. They are the oldest known living being on Earth and they shaped the evolution on this planet. Different strains of bacteria change the composition of the atmosphere by cleaning the chemicals released during the formation of the Earth and releasing oxygen. Enough oxygen to allow the evolution of oxygen metabolizing life forms such as humans. Bacteria gave us what we breathe and what we eat. They were an important part of the Aztecs' diet, and derivatives like spirulina are nowadays considered to be a superfood, even by the astronauts. Bacteria have always been employed in the history of humanity. Bacteria allowed the human race to transform and preserve food through fermentation. Ancient Chinese, Babylonians and Egyptians all established the use of fermentation, even though they didn't really understand it. It was only in the late 1600s that humans discovered the bacteria, and it took them another 2 centuries to discover the biochemistry of fermentation. But what is microbiology today? Today, 200 years after understanding fermentation, microbiology has made unimaginable steps and is driving forward discoveries in medicine, agriculture, nanotechnology, and pharmaceuticals. And yes, microbiology and biotechnology can help the human race facing problems such as pollution and climate change. For example, microbiologists discovered a bacteria that thrives on petroleum and that could be used to clean up polluted lands and oceans. And when it comes to air pollution, many bacteria thrive on air contaminants and are used to reabsorb emission. So, employing microorganisms, enhancing what nature already does, has always been a winning strategy for humans to survive on Earth. Nature has all the spare parts to fix itself if we let it happen. Will these creatures help us again in the future? It is up to us.